everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for Weight Loss Wednesday. So today I thought I would tell you where I'm at, what's going on, and I thought we would make a drink together. Now, what I am doing is I am having a smoothie for breakfast, a smoothie for lunch, and then I have my regular dinner. I am trying to cut out as much gluten and dairy and sugar as possible. Now, the last couple of weeks, it's been a little hard. We've had some deaths in the family, and we've had some out-of-town family come in town, and we've been going to people's houses and going out to eat with different people, and so I haven't really stayed on track. But the good part is I have managed to lose weight. Not a whole pile, but I have managed to lose weight. I am now down a total of 24 pounds. And hopefully next week when we check in, I will be down even more. So, yay. So today we're going to make a shake. I'm using my little portable mixer here. We're going to do this together. We'll see how this goes. What I have right now in my mixer here, in my little blender, portable blender, I have almond milk and I have ice cubes. Now I am adding to it my 310 shake, and this is the toasted coconut. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. So you just open it up and there is a scoop inside, and you just take a scoop out. I don't know if I'm, yeah, I'll do a full scoop. There we go. I need a new big blender. I have one. It's a little old, and I'm truthfully a little embarrassed to show it on camera. So we're going to do it in this little portable one. Now, I call this drink the Tropical Mermaid because I am adding from the skinny syrups the Mermaid flavor. Now this is 0 calories, 0 sugar, and 0 carbs. So it should go great with this. It says it mixes well for cocktails, water, tea, and more. Well, for my 310 shakes as well. Now the Mermaid flavor is tropical citrus. So I don't measure this. I just kind of, I don't like a whole lot. I have made this. If I put a lot, it's a little sickening sweet, even though there's no sugar in any of this. But just, it's a little too sweet for me. So I'm just going to add some. Let's see, I'll put up here. Probably just about that much. I'll screw the top on. Okay, that's about as good as I'm going to get it out of this blender. So I'm going to need a new blender. Well, I know I need a new big blender, but this thing just sucks. So there we go. But it's still going to be good. Oh, that is so yummy. I don't even mind that it left chunks of ice in it. It's good. Oh, this is so good. So, if you guys are interested in 310 shakes, let me tell you, they are delicious. They seem to really be working for me. Down in the description, I have all the information. I have a link where you can go purchase, and I have I think it's a 15% off coupon code. Use that when you check out, and you'll save 15% on your order. And let me tell you, I am loving these. And I'm going to get some more skinny syrups. I picked this one up on Amazon, but I think you can pick these up at like Marshall's or Ross. Sometimes they'll have them. Or I bet TJ Maxx would have them. The skinny syrups. And try different flavors. You can mix it with the coconut. You can mix it with the vanilla. Yeah, so I will every week maybe try to have a new recipe for you. Maybe that's something we can do and get you caught up on where I am with my weight loss. But I am enjoying this, doing the 2 shakes a day. I don't always do a 3-10 shake in the morning. I might do a kale and smoothie with fruit and something like that. And then I'll have a shake for lunch for sure. And then just sensible eating for dinner. That seems to be working. And I can tell my stamina and my energy have increased. I have been packing, because you know we're moving. So I have been packing and carrying boxes, and I feel like I've got a lot more strength than I did have. I am feeling much better. So yeah, I'm going to keep up with it, and I hope you guys stay with me and follow along. I'd appreciate it, because you guys are keeping me honest and keeping me on this. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And again, thanks for watching. See you next time.